Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The historic Dandi March of Gandhi began on January 31st, 1930 or 26th, 1930 or March 12th, 1930 or April 6th, 1930. We need to find that. So here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description of the background of this answer. So let's get into it. The march began on 12th March and ended on 15th April 1930. The Salt March, also known as the Dandi March, and the Dandi Satyagraha, okay, was an act of non-violent civil disobedience, non-violence civil disobedience in colonial India, initiated by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to produce salt from the seawater in the coastal village of Dandi. Coastal village of Dandi, as was the practice of the local populace until officials until British officials introduced taxation on salt production. Introduced taxation on salt production. Deemed their sea salt reclamation activities illegal and then repeatedly use force to stop it. Okay, therefore the right answer for this question is option 3. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.